Hello everybody, today we're going to do some unboxing. We got a Zen Me Gifts. I do believe these run for $19.99. So let's open up and do some unboxing. I previously cut this open, but I don't know what's in this. So here we go. We got a little, it's thin, but it feels kind of heavy, so they got quite a few in here. So let's open up. Sorry, my dog's in here. He thinks every bag is his now because he just did an unboxing. Ooh, pretty. Okay. Oops. So let's start with this one. Looks like we got some crystals. We got a hematite. A hematite does grounding stone for protection, helps boost confidence, good for liver and blood, absorbs negative energy. Love it. We got the clear quartz. This one is very high vibration. Master healer, brings all balance to the chakras. Energy amplifier to other stones. Promotes clarity, power of healing, protection, and confidence. Ooh, this one's pretty. Very pretty. This one is, this is a blue Kalite, energy amplifier and cleanser. Dispels negative energy, increase flow of positive energy. It is very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see how, all like the texture, and very, very, very pretty. And then last we have smoky quartz. I don't know if it's picking up my nails or it's zooming on to the crystal. So the smoky quartz stimulates root chakra, grounding and stabilizing, removes feelings of fear and hate, can be used to contour depression. Very nice. So that's what we had in this little bag. Now let's unbag this one. So we got peridot. That's pretty cute. Ooh, that's pretty. Bracelet. Candle. Smells like orange. Just a little tea light candle. And I now know why it smells like orange, because we have an sweet orange essential oil. Yep, that's making everything smell. So that's what we got in this unbagging. It's quite a bit. It's not too bad for, 20 bucks. If you're willing to spend the 20 bucks, you can get 7 things in a bag. So that's pretty cool. I love my essential oils. They always help with, depression. You can use it for shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, anything really. And I love bracelets, especially, you know, stone bracelets. Because it helps if you can't or you forget to carry like one of your stones with you. You have a stone bracelet. I always have a whole bunch of these. Not this one in particular, but it's extra strength to bring with you when you forget to bring one of these. I love these. I never had paradite, so this is my first. I love the little, how it's shoved in like a little bottle. Very cute, like a message in the bottle. And then each crystal. 4 crystals. You can't go wrong with that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic Friday. And enjoy your weekend. Thank you. Bye.